Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel where we explore the most insane vehicles ever built. And today, buckle up, because you're about to step inside the Kenworth Vortex Hauler Motorhome, a car machine that doesn't just redefine road trips, it redefines luxury living itself. From the outside, the Vortex Hauler already commands attention. Its aerodynamic design, bold LED light strips, and towering stance make it look more like a spaceship than a traditional RV. But it's when you step inside that the real magic begins. The living room greets you with a massive 4K smart entertainment system, plush recliners, voice-controlled lighting, and a panoramic smart glass window that can tint or clear with a single touch. It's a space designed for comfort, entertainment, and pure class. Move into the kitchen, and you'll find a fully equipped gourmet setup, stainless steel appliances, induction cooktops, a smart oven, and even a built-in coffee station that learns your preferences. The dining area features an expandable table and ambient LED lighting, making every meal feel like fine dining on the move. The bedroom is where Kenworth has outdone themselves. A king-sized smart bed with memory settings, mood lighting, and a ceiling skylight that lets you fall asleep under the stars. It's not just a place to rest, it's an experience. And then comes the bathroom, which rivals luxury hotels. Heated floors, rainfall shower, touchscreen mirrors, and even an automatic fragrance system. Who knew a motorhome bathroom could feel like a spa? Every inch of the Vortex Hauler is infused with technology, voice assistance, climate-zoned solar panels, and AI energy management that ensures maximum efficiency. And with its advanced diesel-electric hybrid engine, it has the muscle to conquer highways while keeping things eco-friendly. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a smart mansion on wheels, built for those who want power, freedom, and luxury rolled into one unstoppable package. So what do you think? Would you trade in your house for the Kenworth Vortex Hauler 2026? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned right here on Auto Plus for more jaw-dropping rides.